Welcome to Coastal 101, I'm John Kelly. Whenever hauling something in a truck or trailer, it's a good idea to tie it down with a ratchet strap. This is how you use them. Grab the ratchet handle and lift up on the handle and axle until the slot opening is facing up. Then, slide the end of the strap into and through the slot from the bottom of the ratchet. Wind it 1/2 time around the axle and slip it back through. Take the hook end of your strap and attach it to a secure spot. Then lay the strap over the load or item you want to secure. Now, hook the ratchet end to the truck and pull until it's tight. You can now pump the ratchet handle to tie down the load. When it's completely tight and secure, close the ratchet handle and tie up any of the loose strap before driving. Here's a quick coastal tip. If you need more strap for a bigger load, you can bring 2 straps together by inserting the hook ends through their eyelets. Looking for ratchet straps? Your Northwest owned and operated Coastal has a huge selection, from lightweight to heavy-duty versions. Plus, we have pros in every store that know a thing or two about them. So just stop by and ask. They're more than happy to help. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.